Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to show you the DAC, which is a USB audio DAC which uses an ES9218P DAC, of course, and we're going to see it today. This was a Kickstarter project and today I received it, which is great because I was looking forward to having this little DAC. Let's take a look at it. You can see this is the quick start guide that comes supplied with it. It says that it may get hot while used in, it's usually because this DAC may get hot, so it says that it may get hot, and so pretty much have that. This is the DAC itself, which have the audio jack here as expected, and it has the USB-C port over here. Because this is not a dongle, this is an external USB audio DAC. So that means that you don't have to worry about breaking the cable, because if you break the cable, you can just simply replace it. So that's an advantage of it. The other advantage of this DAC is that it uses an ES9218P DAC, which is the same as used on the HiDisc P80 or some LG phones that also use it. So that's a great thing. So I'm having high expectation on this, having a great audio quality. So you can see, let's see if there's something more here. I don't think there's anything more. No, there's nothing more. The box is fairly simple, as you could see. So basically the contents of it is the DAC and the USB-C cable. Now, however, because I was one of the super early bird backers, we have here another set of cables that came with it. Let's take a look at the cables that came with it. We have here a lightning. Let's see if it can. I think I have to take up first here, because probably I'm going to break this cable. Okay, yeah. So we have here a lightning to USB-A cable, and I don't know why they shipped this instead of a USB-C cable, because this uses a USB-C. So, but yeah, pretty much if you want a USB-A to lightning cable, then it comes with it. So pretty great. It comes with the USB-A to USB-C adapter to use this DAC in a standard laptop with USB-A ports. I mean, it's a USB 3.0. As you can see, it has it has the standard pins, but on the back it has the USB 3.0 pins. Most of the adapters that comes with other DAC, they are actually just USB 2.0 ports, USB 2.0 adapters, and this is a USB 3.0, as you will see. So that's great. So really simple otherwise. So continuing, we can see that it has another adapter here. So this one is a USB-C to micro USB adapter. That means that if you have an older phone with micro USB, this adapter you could use this adapter as a USB on the go adapter to convert the phone to USB-C. That's great. Last but not least, it came with a prototype of the product, the printed circuit board of the prototype. It's this one that we're going to see. There are two of these. So these are the printed circuit boards of the products. I don't know which one is the, I don't know, because I thought that it was going to be with the just one. But yeah, it comes with these prototype boards that can be keychained. Oops. That can be keychained with the ring that comes with it. So that's pretty much, that's great. If you want to have some decorations around, this is great. But yeah, that's pretty much all that comes with it. So let's recap what comes with it. We have, of course, this is the box. This is the DAC USB DAC. It has the USB-C cable. It has USB-A to USB-C adapter. It has a micro USB to USB-C adapter. We have a lightning cable to USB-A, and we have the instructions manual and a card telling us that the product may get hot. So that's about all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends. And the next step will be that I'll be listening to this DAC and see how well it performs, because it uses an excellent ESS chip, which is used by other devices, audio players and phones. So I'm going to take a listen to this DAC and see how well it sounds. So thank you for watching, everyone.